What does green light mean?
Go.
Red light is stop.
Yes.
Yes.
What is supper?
Where are you and Mimi going?
I'm going to the zoo.
You going to the zoo?
The zoo.
That's a good idea.
Elephants and monkeys and
Lions.
and elephants and cougars.
And cougars?
Yes.
How about tigers?
Tigers.
Do you think they'll have
Giraffes.
snakes?
And monkeys.
And monkeys. I like the monkeys the best of all.
I like monkeys and toads and I tree.
Monkeys in the tree.
Yes.
What about, will there be alligators?
Yeah, I resemble culprit.
Yeah. The alligators go chomp, chomp, chomp. Remember the alligator in your book? He always wants you to brush his teeth.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
man, an alligator that brushes his teeth. That is a nice alligator.
Yes.
Say ah. Say ah.
Beanie, could you give Mimi a hug and a kiss, maybe?
Yes.
Oh, I love you.
Nice.
Oh, that's so sweet.
That's nice.
I like hugs and kisses from the sweetest man of all. Yes.
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 And modest, too.
And the sweetest and most handsome and best person in the world is Corbett Smith.
Is that true?
I'll go culprit shop.
Yeah.
I'll go supermarket.
You gonna go to the supermarket?
Yeah.
Take Mimi to the supermarket?
Are we going to get milk and cookies at the supermarket?
Yes.
Do we need any lettuce?
Yeah.
What about some bread?
No bread. After cookies and milk
Cookies and milk.
Cookies and milk.
and juice.
And juice.
That's good. What kind of cookies do you want to get?
I'll get brown.
Brown cookies?
Yes. Okay, brown cookies and drive.
Hmm.
Do you
Good
like
idea.
vanilla wafers?
Yes.
That's good. They're a little bit brown.
Sup.
Stop.
I'm laughing.
Oh, it's fun to go to the zoo and to the grocery store.
Grocery store. I'll go grocery store.
Okay.
What do you buy at the grocery store?
About birthday eggs.
Hmm?
About eggs and tofu toast.
Eggs and French toast?
Yes.
What about syrup?
Sugar pink cakes
Okay.
and supermarket.
And cheese? We get cheese at the supermarket?
And crackers and eggs and toast and French toast.
Oh, French toast. I like French toast.
I like French toast 6.
You like French toast sticks? Yes, you do.
I like with French toast 6.